This derelict helicopter cabin flooded and abandoned hides stories of disuse and decay. Amidst the swaying wires and drifting debris, the challenge of restoration begins. Every ripple tells a tale of time's passage.
This rust is deep. We need to strip it all back. Got it. The fuselage is looking clear. I'll prep the primer. Good. Let's keep the momentum.
In a remote jungle, a derelict helicopter slowly succumbs to nature. The river's current gently moves against its rusted rotor blades, a symbol of time's relentless decay.
This panel's holding up. Clearing this vine now. Almost there. Keep at it.
This old bird's seen better days. Spray's loosening up the rust. Keep it steady. Watch those paint layers. We're peeling back history here.
Careful, the current's tricky. Got it. Let's get to the bird. Setting down the rope. I'll grab the wrench, start the exterior check. Copy, checking the panels. This rust is deep. We need the clamps. Coming in. Where do you need me? Opposite side. Secure the mid-fuselage. Got it. Applying tension. Steady, keep it gradual. All right, easy does it. Lower, steady.
Got it. Watching the tail.
Mud soft, keep it balanced. Almost there. Guide the nose.
Set.
Hold her.
Left side bolt coming loose now. Right side is free, ready to lower. Okay, guide it down, slow and steady. Holding steady, almost there. Set it down.
The restoration begins by exposing the engine's outer layers. Panels are removed sequentially, revealing deeper mechanical layers. Each step unveils the intricate work required for revival.
Final cleaning pass is complete. Copy, checking the frame now. I'll check the nose gear. Looks solid, we're ready.
Panel alignment is key to structural integrity. Next, rivets are inserted into the holes. Hammering. The restoration begins. A new component is carefully positioned. Bolts are tightened sequentially to secure the assembly. Each turn brings the engine closer to operation.
Let's route these cables through the main structure. Now, I'll secure this bundle with a tie. There we go, that's secure.
Restoring a vintage helicopter cockpit demands precision.
First gauge, oil pressure, securing it now.
The wiring must be flawless.
Connecting the leads, almost there. All right, let's get this foam secured first. Got it, stretching the fabric now. Looks good. Staple the edges, done. Moving to the next seat.
The restoration begins with a thorough primer application. Multiple slow passes ensure even coverage on the weathered metal. This foundational layer protects against corrosion. The helicopter's transformation is underway.
Let's tighten these transmission bolts evenly. Start on the left. Copy. Blades are secure for alignment. Good. Ground past the calibrator. I'm on my way up. Perfect. Now for the rotor alignment, step by step.
The cockpit glass is carefully positioned and aligned. Sealant is applied to create a watertight bond. The edges are then smoothed for a perfect aerodynamic finish. The restoration begins with a base coat applied in careful layers. Each pass builds coverage, transforming the weathered metal. The layered process ensures durability and a flawless finish.
Keep the pressure steady, watch for the gloss. Copy that. Looking good up here. The reflection is coming through, almost there.
Align the edges carefully, no wrinkles.
Got it, squeegee ready.
Emblem set, passing heat gun.
Knife for the trim.
Perfect, looks factory new.
Restoring a Mi-8 helicopter demands meticulous verification.
Panel is powered, lights is sequencing.
Electrical and mechanical systems are tested for integrity.
Ground systems are stable, rotors are initiating.
All right, everything is set, ready to spin. Roger, initiate fuel slow rotation. Good, watch for any wobble. Negative, rotation is clean. Perfect, power down.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying these restoration videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching.